Well, this morning I was coming to work and walking upon the beautiful Hop Kiln tasting room. I heard some very loud squawking. So I came around and to my surprise I saw two wonderful Canadian geese squawking away just like you see here. You never know what you're gonna find early in the mornings at Hop Kiln Winery. I just thought these were such a funny couple of geese. Let's see if I can zoom in. They're just chit-chatting away. Often we'll have flocks of them, 10 to 12, but these two have just been nesting on one of the kilns all morning long, making a big scene. They're absolutely beautiful. Then of course we have the lone duck that's been floating around for a couple days, just pigging out on all the goodies in the pond. The bird life here at Hop Kiln is absolutely amazing. Always so much activity and so much to see. It's great to come picnic at these tables and just, if you have binoculars too, you can really get some bird watching in. They're very friendly. A lot of the ducks come right up and will beg you for whatever you have. Or they gracefully go swimming.